father and son was walking from one town to another. They stopped by a big tree and the father asked his son, "I am thirsty. Please get me some water from that lake there." The son walked up to the lake. When he reached it, he noticed that some people were washing clothes, and right at that moment a bullock cart started crossing the lake. As a result, the water became very muddy, very turbid. The son thought, "How can I give this muddy water to my father?" So he came back and said, "The water in there is very muddy. I don't think it is fit to drink." The father said, "Let us take a little rest here." After about half an hour, he asked his son to go back to the lake and get him some water to drink. The son went back to the lake. To his surprise, the lake had absolutely clear water in it. The mud had settled down, so he collected some water and brought it to his father. The father looked at the water, and then up at his son and said, "See, you let the water be, and the mud settled down on its own. You got clear water. It didn't require any effort. Your mind is also like that. When it is disturbed, just let it be. Give it a little time. It will settle down on its own. We can judge and take best decisions of our life when we stay calm."